just arrived in Gilligan's in Cairns, and this is my 8-bed dorm. I'll give you a room tour before everybody else gets here. There's a shower and a toilet ensuite, some lockers, and I've managed to nab a bottom bunk here. Looks all right. I'm on the first floor, so I expect the music's going to be really loud. I'm here. This is my last hostel in Australia. So I've got tonight and tomorrow night, and then I'm off to my next destination. I'll be sad to leave Australia. It's nice to get out after being on that bus all day. Just walked down to see where my boat goes from tomorrow to do my snorkeling on the Great Barrier Reef, which is my last activity in Australia. Oh. I've walked down to the boulevard. It is so lovely. Gilligan's is definitely set up for the party. And tonight it's Magic Men. I think it's a strip show. I've got to be up at 7 in the morning to go on my Great Barrier Reef, so don't think I'll be going this time. Up dressed and ready this morning. I'm going snorkeling on the Great Barrier Reef. This is my last activity in Australia. I am really, really looking forward to this. Behind me is the boat that we'll be going on. And there's 3 snorkeling stops. And they provide breakfast, lunch and afternoon tea. Very nice. Looking forward to it. At least it's not a sailboat. I'm on the boat. It's a rocking and a rolling. This really isn't my favourite thing in the whole world. Hopefully by the time we get there, things will have levelled out a bit. But yeah, it's a little bouncy for me. That's it. I've just finished my 3 snorkels on the Great Barrier Reef, and we're just motoring back now. Then I'll pack my bags and I fly to my next destination. I'll be sad to be leaving Australia. And just like that, we're back in Cairns, just disembarking from our snorkeling trip on the Great Barrier Reef. I've had a lovely time. Just got off the boat after my snorkeling trip and I found this little place here. It's called Dundee's, and I'm going to have my last dinner in Australia here. It's a fish restaurant, so really looking forward to that. Oh my goodness, I've done something silly. I've ordered myself oysters, 2 of which are cooked, 1 of which isn't. My first time trying an uncooked oyster. I almost did it at the fish market in Sydney and I chickened out, but this is my last night in Australia, so I thought I'd give it a go. I have no idea how to do this. Wish me luck. Actually, it looks worse than it tastes. I can't believe I'm saying that, and I can't believe I'm going to eat the whole thing. That was not too bad actually, as long as you don't look at it. The trick is, don't look what you're eating. I've eaten them all, and actually I almost preferred it raw to cooked. I can't believe I've been scared of oysters all these years and not tried them. They definitely taste better than they look, so if you don't look at it, they taste nice. Oh my word, do you think I might have bitten off more than I can chew? That's a monster of a plate. That was really nice, but way too much. 2.5 months in Australia comes to an end. I've had a really lovely time. Really enjoyed it. It's been brilliant. Everything and more that I ever wanted it to be. Very happy. And now after a lovely last meal, I'm going back to my hostel, pack my bags and get ready for my flight tomorrow afternoon. So I've got all day tomorrow. My flight doesn't go till 6:50. I think it's 6:50 p.m. tomorrow. I've got most of the day tomorrow, but I'm just going to take it easy. It's been a long day. I'm going to sleep well. They can party all night and I'm not going to hear it. I'm going to sleep like a log.